Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me at Lisa B. Try these 5 exercises every day to improve that forward head posture. So grabbing a chair or hands against a wall, you're just going to sink your chest through your shoulders. So really relax into this. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. Just sinking the chest through the arms. So stretching out the chest, feeling a lovely stretch up through the back. Just breathe in. Then coming out of that, coming from against the wall or moving the chair out of the way, and we're going to lie down onto the stomach. So hands back by your hips, palms down. You're going to lift the head and shoulders, keeping the palms down. So inhale, exhale, lift the head and shoulders. So keeping your hands down and pushing your feet down. So keeping the feet in contact with the floor the whole time. And lifting the head and shoulders. Now lift the hands off at the same time. And again, lift the head and shoulders, lift the hands. So floating up, keeping the feet in contact with the mat. And again, lifting, floating up, opening out the chest. And again, exhale as you lift. Resting the hands down in between. Now hands on the back of the head, you're going to lift for 1, 2, keep the elbows open, 3, keep the neck long. So you should be looking straight down at the mat, but make sure you've got space between your chin and chest. Keep coming up and down. Remember to keep those elbows open and lift, using your back strength to lift and lift. And then hands either side of you, elbows and wrist in a straight line. Now widen the feet. Now gentle push up through the hands. Keep the pelvis down and squeeze the bottom. Relax the shoulders as you get to the top. As you come down, you look down at the mat. Gentle pressure through the hands. The arms are straight as you come up. Look straight ahead of you and squeeze the bottom as you come up. And again, gentle push through the hands. Squeeze the bottom. Relax the shoulders. And again, we're going to gentle lift, straighten the arms, shoulders relax, squeeze the bottom, look straight ahead of you. And now bring the hands in. We're going to lift, straighten the arms, big circle, everything back down. Inhale, lift, exhale, big circle with the arms and come back down. And lift, straighten the arms, circle, lower the head and shoulders. Lift the head and shoulders, straighten the arms, circle, come back down. And lift the head and shoulders, arms straight out, circle them, come back down. And then come up, quick stretch back. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the subscribe button. Let me know how you feel after this workout. Try it every day and I will see you soon.